Sonu Iyer from EY joins in. Sonu, hi, thanks for joining in. We were just discussing how we didn't see that much in terms of tax relief for the individual. What were your big takeaways in terms of taxes?
So I think, Mitali, the good news is that there is no COVID cess, seemingly at least. I think we saw that agriculture infrastructure cess that is coming in on excisable goods. Maybe that will have an impact on people in general in terms of, I could think of petrol as one thing that would be impacted. But I think the big relief would be there's no wealth tax, there's no COVID cess. So good news. And I thought the budget generally seems like a sensible budget, if I may use the word. Everybody always has expectation galore from the budget, but I thought it was sensible and did what was expected. A lot of focus on capital expenditure, which is good. Government ought to be spending now if we want to get the economy kick-started. So
Hmm. What did you make of the fact there was quite a few mentions in terms of simplifying the process, whether it was a dispute resolution committee, whether it was the size of the concealment that was being talked about, 50 lakhs or more. Did you like what you heard over there, Sonu, in terms of making this a little less stressful for income tax payers?
absolutely, Mitali. So they started this policy directionally to, bring in a taxpayers charter, commitment to taxpayers, giving back to taxpayers what they should expect from the government. In that sense, I think again one step forward. We've already seen some of these measures like faceless assessments. I think a good threshold of 50 lakhs coming in for dispute resolution. This was positive. And of course, I think pre-filled tax returns will be a lot of relief. Given the tax return forms is getting onerous, they will be pre-filled for capital gains, bank interest, post office interest. So I thought that was a really big step forward. And even
Just
no returns for senior citizens over 75 years if they have interest in pension income. So that one is also going to go down very well.
how large would that percentage be when we're talking about only senior citizens where there's only interest income up for calculations, Sonu?
So my sense, Mithali, would be about at least 2 to 5% of our taxpayer base, because those are the people who get pension and who have to file the tax returns. So it's part of, they don't have too much income, but they have to go through the process of filing the tax return. I mean, I would need to verify the numbers, but off the cuff, that's what I would think.